Hi, it's your boy. Why? Sorry, it's... Oh my god. Sorry if I sound a little bit congested. Today I have so many allergies. There's so much dust and wind. I feel like that person down there is spilling some hot tea. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, hello. So I'm really hungry right now, which is like me 90% of the time. But today I'm especially hungry because obviously you already read the title of this video. So what I'm doing today is that
I'm just gonna eat.
Literally, that's all I'm gonna do. Great content you signed up for. Or did I pop up in your recommended? But yeah, if you like to watch people eat a lot of food, then this video is great news for you. I also like to do that. So as someone who's naturally on the thin side or skinny, who also has a high metabolism, basically everything that I see in my kitchen, I want to put in my mouth. Oh wait, ew. Let me rephrase that. Usually everything that I see that is edible, I want to eat. I mean, I will probably eat it. There's like a 99% chance that I'll eat it. I don't know if you guys knew this, but thin people that eat a lot and that are hungry all the time are scary. Because if you're rude to them, they'll probably eat you. As for me, I do my best to... Oh my god, this lighting is so
annoying!
But as for me, I do my best to balance things out so I'm not eating like garbage all the time, which is not skinny. Like if I don't know, eat a vegetable, then I'll eat a burger. See? Balance. Am I right, ladies? Libras are shaking. And generally, when I eat healthier, I will feel better most of the time. And I usually eat very often, but in like smaller portions, not like giant ass meals all the time. Except when I go to a buffet, because that's like a whole other different story. That's like a free-for-all. But yeah, let's get onto the video. This is what I eat in a day. Let's go eat something, because I am hunger right now. Hello. So it's breakfast time now. Woo! Woo! Usually for breakfast when I have work, I'll typically eat something very fast. So either like a banana or like some toast. But today I have a day off. So we're going all out. And by going all out, I mean, not really. So this is what I made for breakfast this morning. Some good old oatmeal. Ew. Honestly, I don't like oatmeal that much. But apparently it's good for you, so I try and eat it whenever I can. I'll eat really healthy for breakfast, and for lunch I'll eat like a bunch of pizza and like some pasta, which I will probably do later. And then I just made some tea. Ooh, tea. Yeah, every morning I usually make some sort of caffeinated drink. If I don't have that, I'll die. And that's the tea. Wig. It looks kind of sad today. I usually put milk in my tea. Oh, there's just a... Ew, that was gross. Yeah, I usually put milk in my tea, but we ran out of milk, so we just had soy milk left. It looks kind of sad. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my gross oatmeal. Should I make this a mukbang? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh, what is that? Oh my god. Is that a spider? Let me just put that over there. Not the worst thing. Could be worse. I just hate how it's so plain, you know? And I usually put like a bunch of crap in it to make it taste better, but there's nothing in my house. There's chocolate and pizza. Ew.
Ew.
Oh my god. Me when I'm that girl that only eats cheese and potatoes and I try to eat a vegetable.
It's ooey gooey yum yum yum. Just I can't.
So usually before lunch I'll get a little bit hungry, so I'm just gonna have a little appetizer before lunch. So I'm gonna eat a skinny banana. Oh my god, my camera's broken. And I'm gonna have some skinny yogurt, cause skinny. Probably fast forward this part. You know that Vine where it's like, it's not gay bro, it's potassium. Me, this is the yogurt I'm eating. Activia, not sponsored. Cherry and cereal. Cherry? Hello? I don't know if you've ever had cherry yogurt before, but this shit is so good. Also, cherry ice cream is one of the best ice creams. Not an opinion, just facts. Actually matcha ice cream is really good. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this. How do I hold the camera and eat this at the same time? Oh my god. Just give me 1 second, y'all. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm gonna drop it. I'm literally holding the yogurt and the camera in the same hand. This seems like a bad idea, y'all. Yogurt. It's alright. Why is mine only half full? Hello. It's not hot. I'm pretty sure I've shown this place before in my other videos, but I always come here to eat. This is chicken chow mein with black pepper. I eat this like once a week. I don't know her. I'm tired. More food! Yay. So I grabbed some baby kale and spinach and some balsamic vinegar dressing. I was thinking that I was gonna make a salad for the week when I go to work for like lunchtime. I was gonna put like a boiled egg on it, maybe some cheese and some of this. Only buy salad when it's 30% off. Is that a tip? Is that a life hack? Not really, but it's just me saving money. Ooh, the best part of the day. My awake. My favorite. Chatu time. Oh. So one of my favorite foods is bubble tea. I got the honey pomelo, no sugar, no ice with coconut jelly. I think this is good for you. I'm supposed to go get a massage in like 40 minutes, so I'm not gonna drink this whole thing because I'll probably throw up. I'm just gonna have a sip. The tea is good today. When I go to get bubble tea, I typically don't get like the juice kind. I usually will get the tea kind. Either like pearl milk tea, jasmine green tea, roasted milk tea. Oh, so good. Yeah, I usually like the tea ones with milk, and then I'll usually get half sweet, less ice, and then pearls or like the pudding. That chat time use it is... Oh my god, I'm gonna die. And grass jelly. Oh, I haven't had grass jelly in so long. I think I'm gonna get that next time. Oh, I'm hungry. So we're at one of my favorite restaurants. We're at Funruckers. Oh. So I'm gonna show you guys a life hack. This is one of my favorite places to eat. The food isn't badly priced, but there's a secret I'll show you in a second. But yeah, we're just waiting for food now. Okay, so the way that this works is that you order a burger, and then for toppings you literally can put anything on your plate. So the way that I like to do it is that I'll put the bun on the burger, and I'll make this giant ass salad. So lettuce. I actually don't know what this is, but it's literally like tomato, onions, And then for sauces, you can literally get anything you want. So the way that I eat it is that I don't make a burger, I just eat the chicken, and then I'll like dip it in the mayo, and then the fries, I dip it in the cheese sauce, and then this big ass salad, I'll just eat all of it. Nayoung got a kid's meal. Chloe got a kid's meal. Ooh, milk. White milk. Milk. I full. I'm gonna have some tea now to digest. I think I'm gonna explode. I'm so full. And I literally just kept eating. So, supper for me is the biggest meal of the day. What am I gonna eat? I already know what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat leftovers. Leftovers tend to scare me sometimes. If we have cooked chicken and it's been more than like 2 or 3 days, I'm kind of iffy on eating it. But my parents will eat stuff that's like a week old and they won't get sick. They both immigrated here from the other side of the world, so their stomachs are strong and not weak like mine. But this is what I have.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna drop this. So this is what we got yesterday. We got some Domino's. Oh my god, that beeping outside. Ooh, yeah, bitch. My way. So we got some ham and pineapple, some veggie, some chicken carbonara. This was one of the first times that I ordered pasta from Domino's, and I'm shook. So I'm just gonna heat up this pasta and pizza in the toaster oven. We actually don't have a microwave because my parents don't believe in one. I'm probably gonna make a little bit of tea as well. But also, every time I eat a bunch of greasy, oily food, I always like to drink something hot just to kind of help digest. Because I'm 50 years old. I'm a grandmother. I'm probably just gonna use the same cup for my tea. Oh my god, look how stained it is. Because I don't wanna wash another cup. Big mood. Did y'all hear that noise? Sis is popping off. She snapped. My wig. Oh wow, I'm so annoying. Okay, anyways, I think she's popped off enough that she should be good to take out now. Oh my god. Please don't fall. I'd be very sad if you did. Oh my god. Miss Carbonara, hello. And since this is still a bit hot, I'm gonna put the pizza on there. Wow, queen of multitasking. Watch me forget about this pizza and my house burns down. I think I already said this, but I made some tea. Yay, more caffeine. I actually don't drink that much coffee. I typically tend to drink more tea, so I'm not like overdosing on caffeine, but yeah, usually like 3 cups a day. Someone's gonna tell me that's bad for you, but it's okay. I think I just made a really ugly face, but So I actually switched where I was eating because the lighting was so bad. I finally look not jaundice. Ew, it's so ugly. You know what? I'm not the biggest fan of doing mukbangs myself, to be completely honest. I do like the fact that you can make a career out of it though, and that you can get paid to eat a bunch of stuff. When I eat, I like to eat in complete silence so I can just focus on the food, because when I talk and have to think about like what I should say or to make it entertaining, I can't enjoy the food, and then after I'm done filming it, I'm like, did I just eat? What happened? All done. That was a nice appetizer. Time for pizza. It's actually very comfy sitting here. Why don't I sit here more often? So this is my pizza. Can you see it? I hope so. Also, I kind of feel like I'm a little full, which is weird. Usually I would be able to eat that pasta and this pizza all in one sitting without feeling like full yet. But because I'm talking so much, I'm eating all that air, so I'm getting full on air, which is bad. Okay, enough talking. I'm just gonna eat. I'm getting really tired. I think I ate too many carbs. I'm gonna turn into a carb. I'm scared. When you guys watch mukbangs, what do you watch them for? If it's the girl from The Ring, I don't want any. I'm scared. All done. And don't worry, I'm usually the type of person who'll eat the crust, but I'm so full, I'm gonna pass out. Drink my tea. How come every time I try filming, there's always noises today? So yeah, that's it. That's what I eat in the span of a day as a skinny person. Where was that going? I really don't think too much about what I'm eating. Like I said, I try to balance everything out. So try to eat healthy whenever I can, and whenever I'm hungry and I want to eat everything, I will also do that. Like for me, I don't exercise as often as I should. I feel like I do it in phases. Like one week I'll go do some sort of like physical activity for like 3 days in a row, and then I won't go for like 2 weeks. I mean, I don't know. I'm not a Libra. I'm a fucking Aries. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to stick around. I'll be here. If not, I will see you in your recommended. If you do decide to stick around, don't forget to hit that little bell button, or else
You'll never see me again.
because YouTube hates everyone. But I still love them because I'm here. Also, if you made it to the end of this video, leave in the comments what your favorite flavor of bubble tea is, because there are literally like a million flavors, and one of my goals is to try and drink as many as I can before I die, which might be soon if I drink like one of those every single day. Have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!